intermediate code generation. So this intermediate code generation is the fourth phase in the phases of the compiler, and this intermediate code generation acts as a bridge between the analysis phase and the synthesis phase. So the functions of intermediate code generator are: it is used to translate the source code into the machine code. It lies in between the high level language and machine level language. So intermediate code is used to translate the source code into the machine code, and it lies in between high level language and machine language. So here parser is given as an input to the static checker, and static checker is given as an input to intermediate code generator. So the intermediate code generator will generate the intermediate code, and that is given as an input to the code generator. If the compiler directly translates source code into machine code without generating intermediate code, then a full native compiler is required for each new machine. So the intermediate code generator receives input from its predecessor phase and semantic analyzer phase. It takes input in the form of annotated syntax tree. So here the source code, that is which is written in high level language, it is given as an input to the intermediate code. The intermediate code will convert it in the form of, or will translate to low level language, that is nothing but as the target code. So here the tokens are generated by using the lexical analyzer that are given as an input to the syntax analyzer, that is nothing but there it will construct a parse tree. So that parse tree is given as an input to annotated syntax tree. So that syntax tree is given as an input to the intermediate code, and intermediate code will convert or will translate it into low level language. Using intermediate code, the second phase of the compiler is changed according to the target machine. So using intermediate code, the second phase of compiler. So what is the second phase of the compiler? Syntax analyzer. The syntax analyzer will change according to the target machine. Intermediate code can be represented in two ways: high level intermediate code and low level intermediate code. So the meaning of high level intermediate code is it can be represented as source code, and low level intermediate code is it is close to the target machine. It is used for machine optimizations.